Bitcoin doesn't need a miracle to hit its all-time high again. It needs math. What's, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. In today's video, we are breaking down a simple but powerful question. How many percentage does Bitcoin actually need to move from here to hit its all-time high again? No hype, no prediction, just pure math and logic. So let's get into it. So also remember this, that price targets are just math. The market can go sideways or down before it goes up. I'm actually an educator, not a financial advisor. So use this data to inform your own research. As of January 13th, 2026, Bitcoin is trading around $92,000 according to data from CoinGecko. So I'm using CoinGecko to show you guys the latest information on the price of Bitcoin. As you can see, this is currently around 92,383.66. So roughly 92,000. So Bitcoin all-time high, also known as ATH, is around 126,000 to data from CoinGecko and data from CoinMarketCap as well. So its all-time high was around 126,000 plus. So yes, we are below all-time high, but the real question is, can Bitcoin ever go back to its all-time high, and how many percentage does Bitcoin need to hit its all-time high? So I'm going to break it down using some simple math for you to understand. Take the all-time high price and subtract the current price, then divide the number by the current price and multiply by 100. When you do that, Bitcoin needs roughly 37% from current level to hit its all-time high again. That means a move of less than 40% put Bitcoin back at record price, and in crypto terms, that's a very normal move. This matters because perception drives emotion. A lot of people think Bitcoin is far from all-time high, but when you actually look at the math, it is not. Understanding this helps you think clearly, manage expectation, and avoid emotional decisions in the market. So in summary, Bitcoin needs around 37 to 40% for it to hit its previous all-time high. Just to add to this, there is a chance Bitcoin can go up above its previous all-time high, maybe to 150k dollars or 200k dollars this year. And for Bitcoin to move from this current price to 150k dollar, it needs 63% move for it to hit 150k dollars. Why for Bitcoin to move from this current price, which I'm using $92,000, to $200,000, it needs a bump of roughly 118% move. So all-time high is just the first major milestone, not the final destination. So now guys, I would love to hear from you. On what you think about this. Do you think Bitcoin can break its all-time high next, or do we consolidate first? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, like this video, subscribe for clear crypto breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one. So guys, this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.